Hey guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. So today I want to show you guys how I edit my photos and basically just go through the basics. So it's a quick edit session. So you guys ready? Let's do this. So before we start, I'm going to tell you guys that I take all my photos in RAW. The reason I do this is just to get all the details on the photos, to get more information on the picture. So basically I can get everything back on the photo and go more into the details on the colors. So the first thing we're going to start off by doing, we are going to take the exposure down to around 30 or 35, and we're going to take the contrast up to around 20, 29. I think that'll do. And we're taking the highlights down to about around 80. It doesn't really matter, you can go to 100 as well. I think we'll do 87. Shadows we're going to take up to around 41, and the whites go down. And we're gonna take the blacks as well. And then we're gonna do the clarity. The clarity is gonna go to about 15. You don't want to push too much clarity because it can get too much and the photo won't look so good. So yeah, now we're gonna take the vibrance down to about 14 and saturation down as well. The reason I do this is so that I can get my photos desaturated, because I like that look. I like that desaturated look. And so I'm gonna take it down a little bit more, maybe to 20. And the tone curve. Ooh, the tone curve. So now we're going down to the tone curve to get that photo popping. So yeah, there we have it. And now we're going down to the colors. So we want to take the orange maybe to about +2, and we're going to take the saturation up on the orange as well to about 8. So take the greens to about -40, around 40, 49. And then we're gonna do the luminous to get that little tan. So we take the luminous down to about -11. Perfect. And then we're gonna put some highlights on there. We're gonna do about 240, get some blues. And we're gonna put the saturation about 3. And we're gonna do the same with shadows. I think we're gonna put 240 and also add 3 in saturation. Now we're going down to, we're going to take the red primary to about +8 and saturation down around about 2017. No, 2017. I mean down to -17. And we're going to do the blue as well. Take it down a notch, and then we're going to do the saturation as well. As you can see, I got that desaturated look. And now we're going back to the top. I think I'll take the exposure a little bit, get it a little bit brighter, and I think I tint it down a little bit and take the temperature down as well, so it's not too warm. But still, yeah, this is basically how I do it. I also sometimes use my presets, which makes it quicker for me to edit. So yeah, this is basically the most basic thing I do about Lightroom. So basically we're done. Really quick edit session. Hope this guys helped you out, and if you like it, you can subscribe. Yeah, wherever you decide. You don't have to. It'll be just dope if you did.